So we replaced our front door. And we haven't painted it yet. And I really probably need to brush my hair. But today is our house tour. And I have been a minimalist for, let's see, I started when I was pregnant with my son. He's 5 now. So it's been about 6 years. And we just keep decluttering. I probably decluttered 50% of what we owned in 5 years. And then this year, I've decluttered another 50%. So it took 5 years to declutter 50%, and then I did it all in a year again, going through everything. I love our house. I love owning less because it helps my anxiety, and the house basically manages itself. So here is our 12 to 1400, not quite sure, square foot house with 4 people in it. Me, my husband, my son who's 5, and my daughter who's almost 3. So here's the front door that we need to paint. We just replaced it last month. And right when you walk in, there's the shoes. This is where we put our shoes right now. We have my husband's shoes. This is a box of like outdoor stuff. Umbrellas and hats and socks for my husband. And more husband shoes. These are my shoes, my shoes, my shoes, my shoes, yoga mat. And here's all of my winter stuff. I made it all myself because I love to knit and crochet, as you guys know, so I have a lot. More husband shoes. And then over here we have our wood stove, mantle place, and here is my recently decluttered desk area where I sit and knit, watch television on my computer. Usually we watch separate things, or YouTube videos, all of that. That's full of yarn. Here's a plant. And then over here we have another little bookshelf where I have my essential oils, which I'll do a video about that. Some plants and a flute, desk stuff, and more yarn. And Bicky Boo. Hey Bicky Boo. We have these great big windows that look out upon our completely fenced in side yard. It is a lifesaver and I love having it. Yeah. And now you can see the full living room area. So there's our couch, and here is our lunch table. We eat all of our meals here and do our homeschooling here. Behind that are just some cabinets. I'm making cheese. Dishes and things go in here. Let me know if you want a cabinet tour. We use these for homeschooling, so I have the kids' curriculums in here, and this one is for paint and stuff.
I want to go paint.
We'll paint later, okay? Here's my daughter's bike. You want to ride your bike? She likes to ride in a circle around the house. She's really good at it. And then you come into the kitchen where we have our Berkey water filter, a lot of my plants, the stove top where we cook, and our ovens where I ferment things mostly. And there's the Bicky Boo again. Hi Bicky Boo. Down here is where we have our pantry now. Here are all of my cooking books. In here we have all of the things to grind, flours. This is the baking area. Here is some more pots and pans and my husband's keto snack area. And here is all of our cutlery. And if you want to peek at our fridge, here is what my Western A Price / Gap's fridge looks like. There's the Bicky Boo again. And here's the freezer, which we need to go get some more meat. Are you ready? Bye-bye, Bicky Boo. Are you gonna go the other way? You silly bug. So right here we are right back at the door, and over here right next to the door we have a little Totoro hanger that I love. So hat, scarves and gloves and things for the kids. Here's our one stroller, and then we have my yoga mat and their railroad tracks. All of our books. All right, we'll do the stroller in a second. We do the Charlotte Mason method, basically. And here's the kids' shoes. We have a shelf for Becky and a shelf for Ruben. And this is just where I put all my jars. We do raw milk, so the lids stay here and the jars go here. Now I am running the dryer, so you're gonna hear that. But here's a little peek at our bathroom. We have a washer dryer here. And at the end of the hallway, we have our 2 downstairs bedrooms. Up here, we just have the Duplo toys. And this just holds miscellaneous stuff. These are couch covers, a chair cover, my husband's car, and fish food and stuff, and some extra clothes for my sister's kids when they visit. And then we have the TV room to the right with the Ruben. He's watching Franklin. It's all done. I'm gonna turn it off. And in here we just have our television set and all of the things for that. My husband's old computer, our log splitter, beanbag, and then we have a lot more books and DVDs over here.
Ooh, ow.
And my husband's exercise equipment. And then through here we have the kids' room. So they share a room right now. The way we're doing it is that they each have a closet. So this is Becky's closet. It has all of her toys in it, and then the top right now, since she's really short, is just storage from when she was little, keepsakes and things. And then we have Ruben's closet, and Ruben's closet has his clothes and then his like stuffed animals and toys. We have a lot of toys here. And then up top he just has some shoes that friends have given us that I'm waiting for him to grow into. Then he has his piano. This is Becky's trolley. We have Becky's bed right here. Then we have their Lego table. Over here is another shelf which has some books on it and blocks. Then we have Ruben's bed right here.
Lego. Lego.
And here's where Becky keeps her clothes.
Lego.
And that is the whole room.
No, you forgot the Legos.
Oh, can you put that away, please? You want to do it? All right, I'll come down and do it. Now we just have the steps. Right now we are working on our house and doing some projects, so my husband has all of his tools in this box. And I always put laundry on the steps to take up. So up here, we finally closed off this area, so it's not an open loft anymore, and here you have a big view of the whole living room. And of the outside. Alright, our room is very messy. My husband's been working from home, so he's got all of his stuff piled up on his desk. Here's his closet, which should be closed. Here's all of his equipment things. And here's my closet. Then we just have my husband's old textbooks. He's an electrical engineer. Here's some more of his work stuff. The bed is up here in case one of my kids gets sick, then they sleep up here. They don't sleep in the same room anymore. Here's our bed. My husband's side over there, he has sleep apnea. My side over here. And then we have our bathroom, which we just redid and painted purple. And that's it. That's basically a full house tour of our wonderful home. It is our forever home. Sometimes I wish we could move, but you know, that costs a lot of money and we're just gonna have to make do. This is a beautiful home and we are very grateful that we have this house. And let me know if you want any tours of my cabinets, if you guys would like a tour of the outside. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.